Are you serious right now? So the game just started working and I absolutely hear no type of, it's not making any noise or anything. That is insane. And guess what? When I pop open this tray, you guys are not going to believe what I did to get this to work. Wow, this is effing insane. Wow, that's truly insane. Now the guy said to use 2 pieces of tape on each side. Well, actually 4, because he used 4, but since I had the black duct tape, or I think it's like plumber's tape, this is insane. And the person that probably sold this for dirt cheap for 30 bucks probably thought there's no hope for it. This game is totally ruined. So let me show you what I did to get it working. I put 2 pieces of black tape on the disc, and I think it had something to do with the weight, because I was weighing it versus one of these classics like Mortal Kombat. I actually never beat this full game, so I've been playing that, and I wish I could play and show you guys gameplay footage and Bushido Blade. So these play fine, Ghost in the Shell plays fine, but Marvel vs. Capcom 2 for some reason was not working. So voila, it's fixed with that little hack. Now I'm going to reset the PlayStation and show you guys it's not working when I remove the tape. So I'm removing the tape. You're going to see it's going to struggle. And it's going to say disk read error. Because before I was telling you guys how I use Vaseline, I use, uh-oh, you hear it? Uh-oh, it's struggling. It is struggling in there. So I use Vaseline, I use shea butter. Let's run over to the table really quick. Shea butter, Vaseline, and I was rubbing it on there. These methods did not work at all. Let's go back over here. Disk read error. What the? So now, let's take this out. Sit it back in its case. I like to keep things like organized. So when some things I have the case for, like these I bought, rebought. Some games have cases to them. But most of my games have cases to them. So I'm gonna put this tape back on here, right? How did I have this one? Just lay it across here like that, right? I have to put it exactly back how I had it. So that the weight could be good. The weight can be nice and even. It's a little crooked, but oh well. So it's on there. 2 pieces of tape on there. Now watch this. This is insane. Guess it has the right amount of weight now. I always wondered why in the world these blue discs always gave me issues. Even this one gave me an issue for some time, for a little bit. the Bushido blade. Let me show you the Bushido blade. See, Bushido blade? It's a black disc. I don't know why they had different colors. They should have just stuck with what the silver gold back. You do not hear it making noise, do you? You don't hear any noise. It's running smooth. And look, boom, it's playing. That was freaking insane. And that's the fix for you guys that have the color disc. And also, if you've tried the Vaseline, the lotion, and the toothpaste method that I've seen online, if those don't work, this one seems to be working. So it's been JTA Josh with Tech Addiction. And I'll see you in another video.